a new video on the GR Corolla with some window visors. So if you guys are not familiar and don't know, Toyota discontinued these, and I have no clue why. I felt like they were a great addition to any of the GR Corolla or the Corolla hatchback platform, but they discontinued them, so I had to order them straight from Japan. I will put the link down below to the seller I bought them from. They were actually very quick, like literally less than a week I got these at my house. So, but anyways, let's open this package up and see what we got. All right, so let's open this up and make sure we got everything and it's the right part. Let me know down below if you've put these on your Corollas or not. I know there's a lot of aftermarket support for these, but personally, after looking at like hundreds of photos, I thought the OEM ones looked slightly better than all the other ones. So yeah, that was actually the seller I ordered it from, Obsolete Racing JDM. Super quick. Like, it's funny because the parts were only like 80 bucks, but then you have to pay shipping and tariffs and all that stuff, which was another 71 bucks. Part number is 08162-12120. Alright, they're packaged very nicely. So I'm not sure if these have clips on them or not, or if it's just double-sided tape. By the looks of it, it only looks like double-sided tape. So you're paying $100 for that logo right there. So, like I said, there's many other cheaper options that you could definitely go with, but I just think the OEM ones look better. Comment down below what you guys think. If I overspent on these or not. But actually, I guess looking at these, there's some type of clip. So they're actually built in, so I'm not sure how that works. Let's take a look at the rear one. And the rear ones don't even have the logo on it. I can't believe they cheaped out like that. But let's go just test fit one of these to make sure. Alright, so these fit up pretty nicely. So I'm not sure how the clips actually work. I'm gonna assume that they probably clip somehow around this, but we'll kind of take a look. So it didn't come with any instructions, so it should be pretty simple. So front ones look pretty good. I'm surprised that they don't go all the way to the end right there, but not that it matters because there's no window there, but looks good. And you can see the Toyota logo. So let's just roll down all the windows, clean up all the edges, get everything looking good, and then we'll try to stick one of these on, and we only got one shot at it. All right, so I'm just gonna use some degreaser, microfiber. Just kind of clean everything around it. Gives you a good time to clean spots that you don't normally clean. Just make sure you clean around it too. All right, then I'm just gonna use a little isopropyl alcohol and just wipe down some of the other areas that are gonna see the tape. All right, so I'm gonna dry fit one because I need to see how these tabs actually work. Oh, that is amazing how they actually work. So, I mean, they're pretty much holding themselves in. Not sure if you can see, it literally just latched around like the door trim right here. So super simple, and now it holds itself, and then you can actually kind of align it, get it where you want it to be, and then we'll pull the tape. I think I made a mistake. All right, when you do this, make sure you pull the tape from under and not over. All right, I think I recovered. So then also too, like in Florida, these are so nice to have. All right, look at that. It looks so clean. I love the way these reflectors look with this car. Let me know down below if you guys think this car looks better with them or worse with them. I honestly think the hatch looks really good with these deflectors, and they fit so nicely. Like, look at this. And having those little clips not only help secure it, but also help locate it and like let you slide it down, up and down a little bit. So let's hop on the back, see if it's just as easy, and then we'll go speed through the other side. All right, and as I was saying before on the front one, make sure when you go to pull this tape, you pull it downwards, down this way, because if you try to pull it upwards, it's going to hit the little hook right here. So just make sure you kind of pull it downwards. Alright, I just got these on and this looks really good. I think I made a little teeny problem. I don't know if you guys can see. Maybe it's just going to be me. This one's up just a little higher. I didn't get that clip all the way down. So, but if I try to mess with the tape, it's not going to hold anymore. So I'm going to just leave it. I'll probably never see it. So, but yeah. It's just a little bit higher because I think when I was pulling the tape off, I kind of pushed it up a little bit and I didn't pull it back down, and I already pressed it down. So let's go speed through the other side. But I have to say, these things look amazing and they look so streamlined. It's like, why didn't the GR Corolla come with these from the factory, or at least be like more of an option to get, not just an accessory? Alright you guys, so I just got all of them done and this thing looks really good. So I really think the Toyota ones just look so much more streamlined than the aftermarket ones that are out there. Sure, did I spend more in shipping than I probably did on just some of the aftermarket ones? Probably, but they look really good. They're Toyota quality, so they're gonna last a really long time. But let me know down below what you guys think. It is kind of getting windy. It does look like it's about to rain, so I'm gonna hurry up and get my windows rolled up. But if you guys are interested, I'll put a link down below to these. I don't know how many more are left, but you could probably find them through the part number, but I'll put a link to the ones that I actually bought. But anyways, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.